Hey, Terry Hodgkinson, Sifu. How are you today? I thought what we would do is a small, or I should say, a short meditation. Each week you should be meditating with each of your lessons. So today, why don't we do a little meditation together as a supplemental. So we're going to start off with Samatha meditation, which is breath awareness meditation. And then we're going to go into Vipassana meditation. And I'll explain that as we go along. So go ahead and you can set up by sitting in a chair on the floor, cross-legged, or however you want, but sit up. Don't lay down unless you absolutely have to. If you're in pain or something, or you can't sit up, that's fine. But if you can sit up, keep your back straight. Place your hands on your knees. You can also put them in your lap, and your thumbs are touching and your hands are overlapped. So that's another way to do this, with the hand position as well. And what I'd like you to do is close your eyes. And I'd like you to start focusing on your breathing, just like you've been taught in Samatha breath awareness meditation. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Full attention on your breathing all the way down as you breathe the lower dantian area, the lower stomach. And then full attention as you breathe out. Even the changeovers, when you finish breathing out, you switch over to breathing in. And when you are finished breathing in and switch over to breathing out, keep your awareness on the changeovers as well. Should anything else enter into your mind, just simply notice that it came in or that it crossed your awareness, and just return your attention back to your breathing. F, or I should say when you get to the point where you don't notice yourself different from the breathing, you're on the right track. Okay, open your eyes. Now, you've probably been doing Samatha meditation, breath awareness meditation, for a while now with these classes, if you've been following the schedule I've laid out for you. So you're probably getting some good experience with this now on how to just focus on your breathing, and anytime your attention wanders or something comes into your awareness, you just simply acknowledge it and return back to your breathing, right? Don't worry, because you can practice it over and over and over for the rest of your life, and you'll get better and better and better at it. Remember, meditation is mental exercise. So physical exercise builds the muscles in your body and tones you and keeps you in fit and shape. And meditation builds the muscles of your mind and keeps your mind fit and in shape. So now we're going to move on to another aspect of this meditation called Vipassana meditation. Now, Vipassana meditation is simply letting yourself... Now, Vipassana meditation is simply continuing on from breath awareness meditation and then opening your field of awareness up to whatever comes in. We're going to start out with the senses, okay? We're going to bypass the visual sense for now and continue on with the other senses. And there are many other times that I may do this meditation and we'll have our eyes open and we'll include the visual awareness of what's taking place. But I think I'd like to work with the other senses right now, and we'll just close our eyes and just become more aware of what our other senses are happening. Become more aware of what's happening with our other senses. So go ahead, place your hands, you can have them on your knees this time or back into this position. I'm going to have mine on my knees this time. Go ahead and close your eyes. And with your eyes closed, just become aware of everything else that you can sense. Visually, you're not taking any information, but auditorily, what do you hear? And what do you smell? What do you taste? What do you feel in a tactile sense? So many people, when they're sitting, may not be aware of the pressure on their buttocks from the chair or from the floor. You may not be aware of the pressure from your feet against the floor or your legs if you're sitting cross-legged. You may have certain sensations that are taking place in your body. What do you feel? When you're going through these senses and awareness of what's taking place in your senses, no need to label anything, no need to judge anything, just observe it, that's all. Just observe what comes across your awareness. So far, we've been through what do you hear, what do you smell, taste, what do you feel in a tactile sense, And now, is there anything else that you sense? I'm not saying that there is or there isn't. I'm just asking if you are aware of anything else. You may be aware of all of your senses at one time. You may be aware of thoughts that take place on the canvas of your mind. Once again, do not judge those thoughts. Do not label them as what you know of them or what you think about them. Simply be open to observing them for however they appear to you, without attachment. Just observe, just witness. If at any time any of your thoughts invoke feelings, and you feel that you're being dragged in to what it is that you're feeling or you're thinking about, without having the ability to simply observe and simply be a witness, go back to Samatha, or breath awareness meditation, and breathe deeply and bring your attention back to your breathing. Allow everything else to leave your mind and your senses and just become the breathing. And then once you've regained your center, open yourself again to witnessing, to observing whatever takes place in the field of your awareness. Okay, open your eyes. So this is called Vipassana meditation, which is an insight meditation or an awareness meditation, being a witness, being an observer. The first meditation we did was Samatha, breath awareness meditation, and these go hand in hand with each other. Many years ago, I had the opportunity to venture to where Buddha became enlightened in Bodh Gaya and sit around the tree, the same location where he became enlightened. What a marvelous experience it was in being immersed around hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, probably thousands of other people who were doing these meditations, whether it was sitting meditation or chanting meditation or walking meditation. And you could just feel the energy of everybody doing their meditation in a singular way on their own or in many groups. And it just added to the whole energetic field of meditation. So today, hopefully you've been able to experience something from this, even if it's just the simplicity of it. And continue this meditation on your own as well. So thank you very much for joining me on this short meditation today.